Immunological pathways and efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines, learned lessons from research and development to clinical trials. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: the global outbreak of SARS-CoV-2 prompted an unprecedented race to develop effective vaccines. Previous pandemics provided insight into vaccine design, but COVID-19 demanded novel strategies to combat high transmission rates and mutational variability. The primary focus was to elicit strong humoral and cell-mediated immune responses targeting the viral spike protein, which mediates host cell entry. Objective: this book chapter aims to evaluate the immunological mechanisms underlying the effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccines, analyze their ability to generate adaptive and innate immune responses, and identify potential strategies to enhance vaccine efficacy amid ongoing viral mutations. Methods: a comprehensive analysis was conducted on preclinical and clinical studies evaluating mRNA-based, adenovirus vectored, and inactivated virus vaccines. Emphasis was placed on antibody generation, T-cell activation, cytokine production, and long-term immune memory. Additionally, data on booster strategies and mixed vaccine regimens were reviewed to assess their potential to counteract emerging variants. Results: findings demonstrate that mRNA vaccines elicit robust antibody production and ETH1-biased cellular responses shortly after administration, while adenovirus vectored vaccines generate polyclonal antibodies capable of broad immune activation. Both approaches significantly reduce hospitalization and severe illness. However, immune durability appears variable, necessitating booster doses to sustain immunity. Studies also highlight reduced efficacy against variants such as Delta and Omicron, underscoring the need for polyvalent formulations targeting multiple epitopes. Emerging evidence indicates that hybrid approaches, such as heterologous prime boost regimens, enhance immunogenicity and mitigate anti-vector immunity. Conclusions: COVID-19 vaccines have proven effective in reducing severe disease and hospitalization rates, yet challenges persist due to emerging variants and waning immunity. Strategies to enhance vaccine efficacy include targeting conserved viral epitopes, integrating novel adjuvants, and developing hybrid or polyvalent formulations. Global efforts should focus on equitable vaccine distribution, long-term monitoring, and adaptive booster strategies to ensure sustained protection. Future research must prioritize understanding innate immune contributions and optimizing dosing regimens to counteract evolving variants. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.